There's a trick in Gmail on your phone that can let you use the same email address in more than one form without creating a new account and without opening a new inbox. And the stronger part, you may be able to know which website sent you annoying emails or used your email in a way you're not comfortable with. The idea is very simple. If your email is, for example, yourname@gmail.com, you can add a plus sign before @gmail.com followed by any word. For example, yourname plus shopping@gmail.com, or yourname plus Facebook@gmail.com, or yourname plus newsletter@gmail.com. All of these addresses will arrive in the same Gmail app on your phone. You are not creating a new email. You're only creating a customized version of the same email. So when you sign up for a shopping website, instead of writing your normal email, write yourname plus shopping@gmail.com. And if you're signing up for Facebook or any app, you can write yourname plus Facebook@gmail.com. This way, every place you sign up for gets a different address, but all messages will still reach the same Gmail account normally. So what is the real benefit? The benefit is that you will know where the message came from. If, after some time, you find annoying or spam emails coming to yourname plus shopping@gmail.com, then those messages are connected to the shopping address. This is a very smart way to track who is using your email and who may have shared it with other parties. And if you want to find these messages quickly from the Gmail app, open the search at the top and type the address you used, such as yourname plus Amazon@gmail.com. It will show you all the messages that came to that address. You can also search inside the Gmail app using the word after the plus sign, like Amazon or newsletter, so you can reach the messages faster. And there's an important question that may come to your mind now. Can I use this method to create more than one account on the same website using the same Gmail? The answer, sometimes yes, but not always, and that is not the main idea of the trick. Some websites treat yourname plus 1@gmail.com and yourname plus 2@gmail.com as different emails, even though all the messages will arrive in the same Gmail account. But other websites are smarter, and they know that both addresses go back to the same original email, so they may reject the registration or tell you that the account already exists. And this is very important. If the website does not allow multiple accounts, or sees this as a way to bypass the system, do not use this method to work around the rules, because this may put your account at risk of being banned. The correct and strongest use of this method is not to create many accounts. The smarter use is to organize your messages, know where each website is sending from, and discover the source of annoying messages if they start reaching you. So the summary is, it may work with some websites, but use it for organization and tracking, not for bypassing rules. This is a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in organizing your email, reducing confusion, and discovering the source of annoying messages. Try it today with any new sign up. And if this is the first time you know that the same Gmail can have more than one form, write in the comments, I thought they were different emails. And if this explanation helped you, like the video and subscribe, because there are simple settings and tricks in Android and Gmail that most people don't know exist, but they really make a difference in privacy and organization.